This is why you need to understand your dog's eyes. Ready to become a doggy mind reader? Let's dive in. Did you know your dog's eyes are like a secret language? They're telling you more than you realize. Dogs use their eyes to communicate emotions, needs, and even affection. But how can you decode their gaze? If your dog gives you a soft, steady gaze, it's their way of saying, "I trust and love you." It's doggy eye contact, just like a hug. A quick glance followed by looking away could mean they're feeling shy or unsure. Respect their space, they'll appreciate it. Big, wide eyes often mean curiosity or surprise. It's their way of saying, "What's that? Let's explore." So next time your dog looks at you, remember, they're talking with their eyes. Are you listening? Love learning about your furry friend? Hit like and subscribe for more fun dog facts.